If you're experiencing login issues on Brightflag, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity, as passwords are often case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. This can help refresh the session and resolve any conflicts. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions may interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact support. If you have tried the above steps and are still unable to log in, reach out to Brightflag's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Brightflag. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.